Hi student, this is Aragya ma'am from Max in All, Anaithilum Kanidam. Term 2, Chapter 1 Numbers, Part 2. In this video, we are going to learn about prime numbers and composite numbers and also try these from page number 6. Exercise 1.1, fill in the blank. Before we enter into this one word, all must be familiar with the prime numbers and composite numbers and also divisibility rule. Those who didn't watch about this, please watch and come so that it's easy to understand and you can find out the answer by yourself. Yes, you're all brilliant. You can find by yourself. Just I'm going to help only. Okay? Right. So, first question. The number of prime numbers between 11 and 60 is. For that we need the prime numbers, right? Why I have given in a colorful way? Yes, because I have segregate into every 10. Okay? First, within 10 numbers, we have single digit 2, 3, 5, 7 is up to 10. After 10, 11, 13, 17, 19. Okay. So after 20, like that, I segregate here. Just watch it. This we can write as a mobile number. So this is the trick to keep in mind. So 44, 223, 321. How? 44, 223, 22321. Easy புரிஞ்சுக்க முடியும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். So 44 it starts from 44, isn't it? So first number எப்பயும் மறக்காது because we start whenever we find out the division method or factor tree method, we start from 2, 3, 5, 7, isn't it? So basically அந்த 4 numbers வச்சு தான் start பண்ணும். So அதனால 44, then 22, 3 is the mid number, I think 5th number. Okay, so அப்ப 3 க்கு முன்னாடியும் 22 வரணும், 3 க்கு afterம் 22 வரணும். Clear? So last 3, 2, 1. So rocket launch பண்ற மாதிரி 3, 2, 1, right? Okay. So 1, that you have to keep in mind because 97 is the only prime number in the last 10, right? Okay. So let us select the prime number once again. So 44, 223, 22321. Fine. So here we are going to find out 11 and 60. In between prime numbers only we need. How many prime numbers are here? After 11, just count it here. Yes, these are the in between number. So total number of this is 12. So this is the correct answer. Just check it now. Second, the numbers 29 and dash are twin prime. Yes, twins means what? I have explained in the past video itself. Yes, இரட்டையா இருக்கணும். That is, difference between the two prime numbers must be 2. Clear? This what we have learnt already. Okay. So அப்படின்னா 29 ஓட 2 add பண்ணாலே நமக்கு அந்த answers கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம் இல்லையா? Okay. 31 is the correct answer. Clear? Fine. Third sum. 3753 is divisible by 9 and hence divisible by dash. So watch the number carefully. 3753, isn't it? So 9 ஆல divide பண்ண முடியும்னா sure 3 ஆலையும் divide பண்ண முடியும். So 3 is the correct answer ma. Fourth, the number of distinct prime factors of the smallest 4-digit number is what? So we have already familiar in finding the prime factors, isn't it? So smallest 4-digit number is what? So 4-digit number starts from 1000, isn't it? So that is the smallest number. So let me take 1000 and find the prime factor. Here I have given the answer. So 252525. This is the prime factor for this 1000, right? Okay. இங்க என்ன கேக்குறாங்க? Number of distinct prime factors. தனிச்ச, ஓகேவா? இதுல ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்குதுன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2வே 3 times வந்திருக்கு. அதே மாதிரி 5வே 3 times வந்திருக்கு. So இப்போ இத யூனிக்கா இருக்கக்கூடிய நம்பர்ஸ்னு பார்த்தா 2 and 5 மட்டும்தான், right? Yes. So இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2 is the correct answer because 2 and 5 is the unique prime factor, distinct prime factor. Clear ma? Fine. Fifth sum, the sum of distinct prime factors of 30. இப்ப 30க்கும் அதே மாதிரி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Okay, here is the answer. இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா நமக்கு தெரியும் 3 to 5, isn't it? இங்க என்ன கேக்குறாங்க, number of distinct primes கேக்கல, sum of distinct prime factors only they are asking. So we have to add these three numbers, right? 3 to 5. If we add these three numbers, sure we get 10. Clear? So 10 is the correct answer, ma. Say true or false. The sum of any number of odd numbers is always even. So what are they saying here? Sum of any number of odd numbers. That means sum of two numbers in kudukalama. Okay, just listen carefully here. This is the example. If you add two odd numbers, the answer will be even. Okay, but sum of any number nu kekranga. Let me check with three odd numbers. See here, 9 is not an even number, isn't it? 9 is an odd number. So the statement is wrong. So answer is false. Clear? Okay. Second, if every natural number is either prime or composite. So natural numbers start from, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So look at 1. We know that, isn't it? Number 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1ங்கிறது பிரைமும் கிடையாது, காம்போசிட்டும் கிடையாதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. So the statement is wrong. So answer is false. Third, if the number is divisible by 6, then it must be divisible by 3. So we need the divisibility rule, isn't it? Okay. Look at the divisible rule for 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3 ன்னு கொடுத்துட்டாங்க இல்லையா? So அங்க 3 ஆல divide பண்ண முடியும் இல்லையா? So that's what given as a statement. So the answer is true. Okay. Fourth, 16254 is divisible by each 2, 3, 6 and 9. So let me check with every divisibility rule. Okay. So first 2, isn't it? If the last digit is even or 0, then it's divisible by 2. Inge 4 and irukku, so it's an even number. So it's correct for 2, right? Then come to the 3. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, so இந்த எல்லா நம்பரையும் ஆட் பண்ணாலே நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். ஓகேவா? See here 18. Sure, 18 is divided by 3 and the answer is 6, right? So 3 also it's divisible only. Come to 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, so இப்பதான் கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம், 2, 3லையும் கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம். So 6 also okay. Now come to 9. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, so இங்க நம்ம திருப்பி once again we have to add all the number that we get 18, isn't it? So 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. So that is also divisible by 9, right? So all the statement we got it. So answer is true. Clear? Okay. Fifth, the number of distinct prime factors of 105 is 3. So we need the distinct prime factor. Okay, not repeated prime factor, distinct. So we need the 105. Yes, here is the answer. See here 5, 3, 7, isn't it? So 3 numbers இருக்கு, அவங்க சொன்னதும் 3 distinct prime factors இருக்குன்னு தான் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. So the answer is correct. Clear? So the statement is true, right? Good. Objective type questions ma. 13. The difference between two successive odd numbers is. So two successive odd number kandipa 2 தான் இல்லையா? Yes. So because odd and even numbers are alternate in the natural numbers, right? Okay. So the answer is 2. 14. The only even prime number. I have already mentioned you about this. 2 is the only even prime number, right? So 2 is the correct answer. 15. Which of the following numbers is not a prime? So இதுல எது prime number கிடையாதுன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. Maximum it comes under 92 only. Why? Yes, it's end with even number and we can divide it by 2, isn't it? So இதுல not prime ன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. அதாவது composite number டைரக்டா கேட்காம not a prime ன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. Hope you understand. Yes. Try to read the question properly and carefully, then find out the answer. So 92 is the correct answer, ma. 16th. The sum of the factors of 27. Yes, 1 into 27 also 27. Then what? 3 9s are also 27. Clear? Then we have to find the sum of the factors. இப்போ இந்த factors எல்லாம் நம்ம add பண்ண போறோம். Clear? Okay. 1 plus 27 plus 3 plus 9. Yes, 40 is the answer. So sum means we have to add, just we add all these factors and to get the 40. So 40 is the correct answer, ma. I think you can understand, it's easy way. 17th question. The factors of a number are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 16, 20, 40 and 80. What is the number? See, don't worry about this. It's easy. We have already learnt about this in a rainbow factors in 5th standard itself, right? See, look at the first and last number 1 and 80, isn't it? Then come to the next inner 2 and 40. So sure it's a 80 is the correct answer, right? So A option 80 is the correct answer, ma. 18th question. The prime factorization of 60 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. Any other number which has the same prime factorization as 60 is. See, what are they saying? 60 க்கு இந்த 4மே prime factorization சொல்லிட்டாங்க. So இதே மாதிரி வேற நம்பருக்கு prime factorization கிடைக்குதான்னு கேக்குறாங்க. Sure, it's not possible. Look at the 30 and 120 and 90. You can check it by yourself. So impossible is the correct answer, right? Okay. 19th, if the number 6354-97 is divisible by 9, then the value of dash is what? So we have to fill these 4 options in the place and we have to check. Okay. So let us take the divisibility rule first. Yes. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, okay, so that we have to add all these numbers, right? So first let us enter the 2 in between that number. Okay. 6, 3, 5, 4, 2 plus 9 plus 7. So answer is 36. Let me check all the other numbers. 38. Then if we add 6, then 40. Finally, if we add 7, you get 41. See, among this, 36 will be divided by 9, right? Yes. So 9 4s are 36. So 2 is the correct answer here. Okay. Like this, you have to check mark. So 2 is the correct answer. 20th question. The number 87846 is divisible by 2 only, 3 only, 11 only, all of this. Yes. All of this is the correct answer for here. In this video, I try to make you understand, I think. If you have any doubt, ping me or ring me. மெய்ப்பொருள் காண்பதறிவு.
Like a Hellcat.